Most people think a BMW is a ticking time bomb after 100,000 miles. I'm here to tell you that's dead wrong. I'm Hank, and I've been wrenching on cars for over 20 years. Welcome to SUVhype. BMWs have a reputation for being expensive to own, and honestly, a lot of that reputation is earned, but only by owners who ignore the basics. Take care of one right, and a BMW will run past 300,000 miles without any catastrophic failures. I've seen it done firsthand, multiple times, on multiple models. Today, I'm giving you the exact tips that keep these machines alive for the long haul. No fluff, no filler. Let's get into it. Number 1. Oil changes are non-negotiable, and BMW's service intervals are way too long. Here's the first place BMW owners go wrong. BMW's onboard computer sometimes tells you to go 15,000 miles between oil changes. Don't do it. That interval was designed with marketing in mind, not engine longevity. If you want your engine hitting 300,000 miles, change your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on whether you're using full synthetic. BMW requires full synthetic, specifically a 5W30 or 0W30, that meets their LL01 or LL04 specification. Use the wrong oil, and you will have problems sooner than you think. Use the right oil on a shorter interval, and your engine will thank you for decades. I've seen high-mileage BMWs with spotless, healthy engines purely because their owners ignored that dashboard service reminder and changed oil on their own schedule. Old oil turns into sludge. Sludge blocks oil passages. Blocked passages starve your bearings, and that's where expensive damage starts. Oil is the single cheapest thing standing between you and a $10,000 engine rebuild. Don't gamble with it. Number 2. Coolant system, the number one killer of BMW engines. If there is one system that destroys more BMWs than anything else, it is the cooling system. BMW uses a plastic and aluminum cooling system, and the plastic components, expansion tanks, water pump housings, thermostat housings, get brittle over time. They crack. They fail without warning, and when they do, your engine overheats fast. Overheat a BMW engine even once and you can warp the head, crack the block, or blow a head gasket. That is a $5,000 to $8,000 repair minimum. The fix is simple: preventative replacement before failure. On most BMW inline-6 engines, like the N52, N54, or N55, replace the expansion tank, thermostat, and water pump by 80,000 miles, even if they haven't failed yet. The water pump on the N54 and N55 is electric, so watch for coolant warning lights and plan to replace it proactively around that same mileage mark. Use only BMW-approved blue coolant mixed 50-50 with distilled water. This is not the place to save a few dollars with generic green coolant from a gas station. The cooling system is your engine's lifeline. Treat it that way. Number 3. Transmission fluid. BMW doesn't tell you to change. BMW calls their automatic transmission fluid lifetime fluid. Lifetime is a marketing term, not a mechanical one. That fluid degrades over thousands of miles. It gets heat cycled, contaminated with metal particles, and loses its ability to protect internal clutch packs and valve bodies. When it does, your transmission starts slipping, hesitating between gears, and eventually failing altogether. A BMW automatic transmission replacement can run anywhere from $4,000 to $8,000 depending on the model. A fluid change costs $150 to $300. Do the math. For most BMW automatics using ZF transmissions, which covers a huge portion of BMW's lineup, plan to drain and refill the fluid every 60,000 miles. Use the correct ZF Lifeguard 6 or Lifeguard 8 fluid, depending on your specific gearbox generation. Do not substitute generic ATF. These ZF transmissions are highly sensitive to fluid specification, and using the wrong product causes noticeable shifting problems almost immediately. Number 4. Spark plugs and ignition coils. Go together always. BMW's turbocharged engines, especially the N54 and N55, put serious stress on ignition components. The rule on these engines is straightforward. Replace spark plugs every 30,000 to 40,000 miles, and each time you do, pull every ignition coil and inspect it carefully. Coil failures on the N54 are extremely common and cause misfires, rough idle, and poor fuel economy. If ignored long enough, repeated misfires will damage your catalytic converter. A new catalytic converter on a BMW runs $1,500 to $3,000. A complete set of 6 ignition coils is under $100. When one coil fails, the others are almost always close behind, so replace the full set at the same time you do spark plugs. Use NGK or Bosch OEM specification spark plugs. This is one area where cutting corners on parts will cost you significantly more money down the road than you ever saved at the parts counter. Number 5. Valve cover gasket and oil filter housing gasket. On most BMW inline 6 engines, 2 gaskets fail almost like clockwork, and both get ignored until it becomes a real problem. The valve cover gasket and the oil filter housing gasket. When these go, oil leaks onto hot engine components, producing smoke, burning smells, and, if left long enough, a genuine fire risk. On the N52, N54, and N55 engines, budget for valve cover gasket replacement, somewhere around 80,000 to 100,000 miles. The oil filter housing gasket typically goes around the same mileage window. These are not panic repairs the moment you see a small seep, but don't let them go for another 40,000 miles either. A valve cover gasket job runs $300 to $600 at a shop. Ignoring it and allowing oil to contaminate your ignition coils or drip onto exhaust components will cost you considerably more. Stay ahead of it. Number 6. Differential and transfer case fluid on xDrive models. If you own an xDrive BMW, BMW's all-wheel drive system, this tip is critical and most owners completely skip it. The front differential, rear differential, and transfer case all contain gear oil that degrades over time and picks up metal contamination from normal wear. BMW doesn't always highlight this in their service intervals, but skipping it is one of the leading causes of expensive xDrive drivetrain failures. Change your differential fluid every 50,000 miles and your transfer case fluid at the same interval. Use the correct BMW approved fluid, not a generic gear oil pulled off a shelf. xDrive system failures can run $2,000 to $5,000 depending on what component breaks. A complete fluid service for all 3 units is under $200 if you do it yourself. This is one of the most cost-effective maintenance items on any all-wheel drive BMW. There is no reason to skip it. Number 7. Brake fluid. Every 2 years, no exceptions. BMW brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it naturally absorbs moisture from the surrounding air over time. As the moisture content in the fluid increases, its boiling point drops significantly. On a hard stop from highway speed, degraded fluid can actually boil inside the brake calipers, causing brake fade right at the moment you need maximum stopping power. BMW officially recommends brake fluid replacement every 2 years, regardless of mileage. This is one factory recommendation you should absolutely follow. Use a quality DOT4 fluid that meets BMW's specification. A brake fluid flush at an independent shop runs $80 to $150 and takes about 30 minutes. There is no maintenance item with a better safety to cost ratio on any vehicle. Do not skip this one. Number 8. Air filter and cabin filter. Simple but critical. These are straightforward items, but BMW owners skip them constantly because the car continues to drive just fine with a clogged filter for a while. Your engine air filter should be replaced every 15,000 to 20,000 miles. A heavily restricted filter forces the engine to work harder pulling in air, which reduces fuel economy and puts extra load on the mass airflow sensor and throttle body over time. The cabin filter is a separate item and affects your HVAC system performance, defrost effectiveness, and interior air quality. Replace it every 15,000 miles as well. Both filters are inexpensive parts and straightforward to replace yourself on most BMW models without any special tools. Do not pay dealer labor rates for either of these jobs. Number 9. Always use the right parts. Here is where BMW ownership gets unnecessarily expensive if you are not careful. There is a massive aftermarket for BMW components, and quality varies wildly from one brand to the next. For any critical part, gaskets, water pumps, thermostats, ignition coils, cooling hoses, stick with OEM level suppliers. For BMWs, that means brands like Genuine BMW, Faber-Bilstein, Mala, Bosch, or Vallejo, depending on the specific component. These are the exact same manufacturer's BMW sources from at the factory. You can find them for significantly less than dealer retail prices through reputable online parts retailers. Cheap no-name parts on a BMW fail faster, sometimes within months, and the diagnostic time alone to track down the failure will cost you more than you ever saved on the part itself. Your BMW was engineered to tight tolerances. Give it parts that were built to match. Here is the honest truth about BMW ownership. These cars are not unreliable. They are simply unforgiving of neglect. Give a BMW the maintenance it actually needs, not what the dashboard tells you, not what the minimum dealer schedule says, and these engines will genuinely go the distance. I have personally seen E46, E90S, and X5S with well over 250,000 miles running strong because their owners stayed consistent with the basics. Oil on a real schedule, cooling system components replaced before failure, transmission fluid that isn't lifetime, and quality parts every single time. That is the entire formula. It is not complicated, it just requires discipline. If you want more real-world tips on keeping your BMW or any other vehicle running strong without draining your bank account, subscribe to SUVhype and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. We will see you in the next one.